again! Go. Go. All right, one out. GG.
Hello, I'm Michael, founder and
I almost get you.
Hello, I'm Michael. I'm the founder of the Yolo Youth Airsoft Club. Here at the Yolo Youth Airsoft Club, we commonly play airsoft in this gigantic field right here that is still currently under construction, but is almost done. We're a new club, but we have a lot of experienced members and some pretty awesome airsoft rifles. This is what we mostly play on. We do have a couple of other fields that we occasionally play on, and we will probably be planning on renting out a couple of paintball fields to play airsoft on. Admission is $5 to join. That is only for maintenance costs and cost of airsoft, public airsoft bullets, so that we can keep supplying people that do not have their own gun. When we do rent out a paintball field, we would like anyone participating to pay a small fee depending on the price of the paintball field and how many people are attending.
I like the field. Can't say much for the people.
So many. Don't mess with this guy. He died. Yeah, it doesn't hurt. It's just acting.
Here at the Yolo Youth Airsoft, combat is fast-paced with 3 different types of. We have Capture the Flag, Team Deathmatch, and Domination. Team Deathmatch is basically the 2 teams will fight until one team runs out of players. The other team will win. Capture the Flag is very simple. A simple game of Capture the Flag. First team to get it across their field wins the game. And in Domination, there will be 3 points on the field, and the first team to capture all 3 points wins. Each person also gets a set amount of lives, 3 each, and if one team runs out of lives, that team is out, and the other team will win. The field consists of foxholes, trenches, hills, and structures, including one extremely powerful bunker. To capture this bunker, you must go through different obstacles, such as cones, the fire of your enemy, and a big open field with no cover. Once you reach the bunker, it is almost impossible to penetrate, unless you have a couple grenades up your sleeve. I hope to see you out in the field at the Yolo Youth Airsoft.